Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add a currency on a PayPal. So in this I will guide you on of the easiest and step-by-step process to add a currency on a PayPal. So for that, first of all open your official website paypal.com on your desktop, and if you are in a smartphone you can enable that desktop mode, so it will be easy to do and all. So now you can see here I already opened that PayPal page. Inside that you will see different options are there. So for adding a currency, now you can see here payment method is there, so click on that. So now you can get this type of page. So I already made one video how to link our bank account, so you can go and check it how to link and all. So after that scroll it. Now you can see here one add a currency option is there, so click on that. So in which currency you want, like I will click in this Canadian dollar. So after that you can see here add a currency option is there, so click on that and then done. So in this way you can add the currency, and if you want to calculate that currency, so you can go in this option and you can calculate the currency in for that dollar into euro, like that you can calculate everything. After calculating you can click on done. So in this way you can add a currency on a PayPal. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.